perhaps there's no smell as great as grilling meat. Whether it's pork, beef, or chicken, there's something special about meat cooked over a fire that brings out the best flavor and makes special memories for everyone, especially in summer. A grill is a common way to cook outdoors, but smoking your favorite meats on a smoker has fast become a favorite method of many backyard cooks. It doesn't matter the type of smoker you have, but time and patience yields a delicious meal every time. Smokers come in a variety of shapes, styles, and fuel type: electric, wood pellet, and charcoal. If you use a charcoal style, you can easily add flavored wood chips to give the meat a smoky taste. My favorite are apple chips, but I also like hickory and maple. Pellet and electric smokers provide the most ease, and often they have built-in thermostat controls to keep the heat consistent. Unlike grilling, where temperatures are often above 300 degrees, the desired temperature inside a smoker is between 225 and 250 degrees. That's where the phrase "low and slow" comes in. Coby Backman is a grilling and smoking enthusiast who enjoys smoking and raising beef.
For beef, it should be bright red and well marbled. A butcher shop is a good place to start. They'll help you out. They can even point you to a farmer if they don't have the meat on hand.
Smoking beef from a locally grown producer is a great way to spice up your summer picnic. With beef, the magic internal temperature for doneness is 160 degrees, so it's important to use the meat thermometer or probe with your smoker, or use a digital meat thermometer for an accurate temperature reading. And with other cuts of meat like pork, the internal temperature should reach 145 degrees. Poultry should be 165 degrees.
The number one thing is probably patience.
And smoking or grilling is always best using locally sourced products like beef, pork, and chicken. You can find a list of these vendors in your area on minnesotagrown.com.